guys, welcome back to my channel. You already know what I'm gonna say. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button below to join my channel and the family, of course. I show a whole bunch of cool things, how to do a whole bunch of neat things, especially for your business. But yeah, this is a highly requested video on how to make these keychain resin letters, and they're super cute and super easy. So yeah, stay tuned. Guys, I'm just going to show you what you guys need for these. These are what they look like when they're all done. I am showing you how to make these ones exactly. Actually, you're going to need some needle nose pliers. You don't need them, but they do help so you don't hurt your fingers when you're screwing in these little hooks right here. And these are small mini screw eye pin hooks. You can find them at Michael's, or they come with the resin mold kit. You need these as well. This is like the keychain part. And these as well, because these are what hook like the letter to that keychain part. Yep, them right there. And then some glitters. You don't need these exact glitters. You can do any glitters you want. I mean, you can go to Dollar Tree and get glitters. But yeah, you need this mold. I got this off Amazon. I will link in the description box. And this amazing clear cast, I got it from Michael's. It was like 23 bucks, but I'm telling you, you can make like 2 alphabets with these. But yeah, and if you want to get rid of bubbles, if you don't have like one of them heat torches, you can use rubbing alcohol. You can spray it on there and it'll get rid of the bubbles. It's right here. I'm just showing you what they look like them exact glitters, like the ones I'm going to be making, which you've already seen them in the clip before this. But yeah, they're super cute, and then look at them, like even with, you know, it's just like light and they're like sparkling like that. They're super cute and they're so easy to make, guys. People make it seem more complicated, but no. But yeah, this is the epoxy that I use. Make sure you wear gloves and a mask if you're not in a well ventilated area. I still recommend a mask because it's really hard on your lungs, even though it don't seem like it, because the smell is not super strong. It's just you should definitely wear a mask. But yeah, guys, these are the glitters that I am using. I'm just cutting off the tabs so then they're easy to pour in when I have the epoxy ready. But yeah, whatever epoxy you do get, like, they usually come with 2 bottles. I don't know any that doesn't. But yeah, it's just like a part A and part B. Pretty much when you mix them together, it causes some kind of chemical reaction. So when they dry, they get hard, like really hard. But yeah, pretty much I'm just like pouring in part A into a cup. And then I'm going to pour part B into another cup and just make sure that they are measured evenly. Guys, I was going to say before, don't mind my messy table. It is clean. It's just a whole bunch of paint spots and epoxy spots. This is my craft table, but yeah, it is messy due to epoxy. So please make sure you put something underneath whatever you're epoxying, just so you don't get none on the table or your surface or whatever. Guys, right here, I was just like trying to make sure they're both even, like they measured the same. You should use like a measuring cup, but I've been doing this for a while, so I just kind of make sure they look, you know, the same height like in the cup. But yeah, once you're done doing that, you're gonna mix in part B with part A, or the other way around, whatever you want to do. Like, I don't know if there's a certain way, but this has been working for me for the longest time. So whatever way you want to do it, just pour the other one into the other. And then you're going to mix it around for about a good minute or 2. Just make sure it's like clear, because it will get like a white like kind of look. But like mix until it's clear. Right here, I am just taking these little cups that I already had. You can get these at like Dollar Tree or Walmart or whatever. And those are just going to be like for the different color glitters I'm using. So I just pour in a little bit of epoxy into each one, whatever I feel will like make the letter. Which you'll kind of get the hang of it. Once you make a letter, you'll realize how much epoxy really goes into one, which isn't quite a lot. So that's why one like epoxy kit lasts forever. But yeah, pretty much that's what I'm doing right now. Right, so now I'm going to add in the glitter that I want. Usually when I have like chunky glitter, I add in a small glitter with the chunky glitter, so therefore it kind of like has, I don't know, more definition to it, because like a chunky glitter usually floats to the bottom. But yeah, I'm just mixing them together. So like the silver I'm putting with the stars, or the silver I'm putting in with the holographic, and the white I'm putting in with the stars. And then the black one I'm just leaving black, just to show you what black glitter looks like, or just any glitter looks like by itself. But yeah, guys, you don't really need a lot of glitter for just one letter, because it stretches a long mile. Like look at that. Isn't that so cute, guys? But yeah, I'm just gonna show you how I mix them, and then I'll pour them in all at once. But yeah, right now I'm making the silver one. It'll look kind of like this J. This J has some butterflies in it, but this one I'm not putting it. All you really need to like make one letter, even two letters. You don't need a whole bunch of glitter. Like, it goes a long way. But yeah, pretty much just mixing it in just like so, just like I did the other ones. And then I'm gonna start pouring them into the letters. Just be careful pouring into it. You don't want it to go all over, but if you get a little bit outside the mold, it isn't gonna hurt anything. But yeah, just try and put in there as best as you can. But alright guys, now that I'm done doing the black one, I'm going to take the holographic chunky glitter one and I'm going to pour it into the letter M. This one is for a girl's order, so I had to do this letter. But usually if I have any left over, I put it into another letter. Okay, and now that I'm done doing those two, I am going to put in the starry white one. This one is like maybe my favorite. It is so cute, especially in the light. Like, the little stars are iridescent, so like when you put like light on them, they change color. Like, they look pink, they look blue. But yeah, they are super, super cute. Guys, that's pretty much all you do. This kit came from Amazon. It just came with the mold like thing that I have right here, and then it came with all the keychain stuff. I bought the resin separate. I got it at Michael's, and then all my other little things, probably Dollar Tree and Walmart and Michael's. I mean, you get glitter almost everywhere. But yeah, I'm thinking about making my own resin kit where it comes with obviously the mold kit, and then the epoxy that I use, and then like my top 3 glitters. I don't know, let me know if you were interested in that. Maybe I will put that on my site. But yeah, I don't know, I think that'd be a good idea. Guys, like I said before, you can take this rubbing alcohol and spray the letters so you get rid of all the bubbles if you don't have like a heat gun. And then you can get a heat gun from Amazon or Lowe's or something. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Guys, the moment of truth, my favorite time. This is the day after I did this all, but right now I'm unmolding it, and oh my god, look at that. Is that not like so pretty? And then that's the V, and that's the T, that's the I, And then this is the P. Yes, guys, these are so cute. Oh my god, like look at them. Like look at that. Like under the light, it looks so pretty. Like they just changed color and everything. Like even the camera catches it. But yeah, look at the guys. I made these last night too, with my extra resin. These are like dog tags. I have yet to put like my mom's dog's names on them, but yeah, aren't them like super cute too? But all right, guys, I'm just gonna show you how to make them a keychain. Pretty much you take them little screw pin things that I showed you in the beginning, and then you're just going to like kind of like screw it in there. I just go back and forth until it like catches in there and it stays. You'll get the hang of it, trust me. It is not as hard as it looks. It don't even look hard, but yeah, you just keep like screwing. And don't mind my fingernails, guys. I use yellow acrylic to do my nails, as you guys seen before if you have me on Instagram. But yeah, it kind of stained my nails. But yeah, pretty much I'm just trying to get it in there, and look at that. Super easy. Best time to do it is after, like the day after, literally. Don't wait like a week, because it is a little bit harder. But yeah, pretty much I'm taking the needle nose pliers and just screwing them the rest of the way in. I kind of apply a little pressure just so it's kind of pushing down. But yeah, that's pretty much all you do. And then you're gonna take like one of them little hook things that attaches it to the keychain part. But yeah, you can see that in there. It's in there. It's stuck in there. But oh my god, just look at them glitters. So pretty. I got them glitter from Michael's. It was like in little packs. But yeah, right here I'm just taking the little hook things. Now I'm gonna put it in the little like hook thing right here, and then I'm gonna grab that keychain, and then I'm just gonna set it on there like so, and then I take the needle nose pliers and close it. Yep, just like that. Isn't that like so easy, guys? Like I'm telling you, it looks a little complicated, but once you do it once, you're like, oh my god, super easy. Like it took me forever to do these because I felt like they were like super hard and complicated, but they're actually so easy. Like super cute too. And like you can get like even UV epoxy where like you can dry the letters right away with like a UV light, which it's a little more expensive, but you get it done right away. I mean, I don't mind waiting the 12 hours. That's why I usually tell people like processing time's a little longer. Like it's just like a day longer than usual. And yeah, pretty much that's all you do for these. I just keep doing this. I just keep screwing it in, and then I put the one little hook on, and I add it to the keychain. And bam, guys, that's all you do for these.
Game face on when I chase like that. Yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise, you can hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me slack. No, it's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. That's how you get tough. Calluses on my hands so rough, yeah, I call your bluff. I'm not the one, mess with me and come out with none. Cause I'm so done, you had your fun, and now you're gonna face down the barrel of the gun. Cause I got a full clip with your name on it, but I'ma let you slide cause you ain't worth it. Time staying strong, need to move on. To be what I want, I'll keep dreaming on. Time staying strong, need to move on. To be what I want, I'll keep dreaming on.
Yeah, they're super cute and they look so good in person. Like I'm glad this camera's catching this all. And excuse me guys, that was Journey, of course, you always hear in all my videos. But yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a fat thumbs up, and yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And thanks for watching.